Hey guys, I know I haven't made any videos in a while, but recently I've been extremely busy, so I didn't have much time to do this stuff. But now I have more esk8 parts to show you guys, and I'm quite excited about this. So yesterday night at around 8 p.m, a mail guy pointed out at my door, and he had a huge package for me, and it was quite heavy, and I had absolutely no idea what it was. I didn't buy anything recently, and I didn't receive any tracking numbers, so I had no idea what was in the package. So he just handed me this huge package, and this is quite heavy as well. And he asked me about 50 euros of import fees, and I was like, what the fuck did I buy? I just didn't remember buying anything this big. And it turned out that it was a prize from one of my last videos. I'll put the link up here. Which was part of a Flipsky New Year contest, and I just made a video about esk8 for the new year, showing some Flipsky parts. Apparently I won the contest, and Flipsky sent me some goodies about some of their products. So let's see what's in this box. So first we have one of the most amazing remotes on the market right now. This is the Flipsky VX2, the version 4 for the V4 vest. I have two fog boxes in my Trampa, so I wanted to use this one. So I chose this version, obviously, because my fog box are version 4s of the vest. So this is the remote. We have the manuals, we have the charging cables, and we have the receiver, and there's the remote. So this is one of the main this is one of the upgrades of their previous remote, the Flipsky VX1 that I have here. This is the version 2, the VX2. So the main difference is that they added a screen up here, which is quite useful to see your data while you're riding, maybe your speed, your the amount of kilometers you did, and all the other stuff on it. This remote is a little bit bigger than the other one, so I'm not too sure if I will change to this remote or not yet, but it feels quite nice. And the thumb wheel on the VX2 has more travel distance than the one on the VX1, so it will definitely improve the control and the precision of the remote. It also seems that braking has a bit more tension than accelerating, which is a good thing, as you have less chance to accidentally brake hard. So let's turn this off and let's see what else is in the package. So then they sent me one of their best ESCs for electric skateboards right here. This is the Flipsky Duo 6.6 Plus with the Pro switch. So it has an anti-spark switch built in. Let's open this up. There's a programming cable, which is micro USB. We have some sensor cables for the motors. And then we have the ESC. So this is quite small. Surprisingly, I wasn't expecting this to be this small. This is maybe the size of one of my fog boxes, which I was quite surprised. So here we have the power button, and with the anti-spark switch built in, and with the other stuff. So at the moment, I don't expect to upgrade to this one, but it's still nice to have another one just in case if I want to build another board. But right now, I think I'm going to stick with my fog boxes, so that's why I bought the version 4 remote for the Flipsky VX2, and I didn't ask for version 6, which would be compatible with this one. So right now I can't use the remote with this one, but I'm not sure I will use this ESC yet, and yeah, I'm going to stick with my fog boxes. They have been quite reliable, so there's no major reason for me to switch at the moment. Last in the package, they sent me two of their newest motors. These motors, you can't buy them yet, they are not on their website, and these are basically prototypes. So let's open this up. So this is one of their new 6374 motors. This is their Pro version, I guess, and this is it. The colors are quite nice. I really like this gold and silver color scheme. So they look quite nice. They just came with a lot of dirt on them. I don't know why. Maybe they have tested this before they sent me those. But yeah, they just came with a lot of dirt. So it was quite weird. So now here we have 4.0 bullet holes connector, and there's the sensor cable that goes to the vest. This motor is not really compatible with the one I have right now. Now I have the normal Flipsky 6374 motors. This is their Pro version or something. This has a 10mm axle, so this axle is quite big than what I have, so I have to buy new pulleys for this. and their center cable is different as well from what I have, so I need to buy new adapters for my center cable. I can't fit them quite yet, but once I receive everything, I'll make sure to make another video about the motors, as I've heard from another tester that they're way better than the 6374 that I currently have. I can't insist about how much I love this color. They're just so different from the black motors we can find on every esk8 out there. Thank you guys for watching this video. Also, thank you very much, Flipsky, if you're watching this video, to send me these motors and all of the esk8 parts. I'll definitely need this, and this will be quite a huge upgrade to my board. So thank you very much, and I really like all the products that you sent me. And yeah, make sure, if you like the video, make sure to subscribe and press on the like button, and I'll see you guys next time.